It'll be when? September 7th, before we have another meeting? Okay. That'll work. The next item on the agenda is one that I don't know whether I need to go down to the podium or what, but I do think we need to have a bit of a discussion. You should have a copy of the 2009 tax bills in your packets. And then in the very back of your packet, there is the tax bill for this year. And if you read the copyrighted article in the Gleaner Sunday, they basically were discussing the tax rates for Henderson County. This is the second year in a row that Henderson County has chosen not to take the 4% increase that it can by law. We've chosen not to take the compensating rate, which does technically increase the taxes over a period of time. What we primarily decided is that we're going to leave our tax rate the same again this year. And I'm talking about the county property tax rate. It's at 11.8 for real property, and we'll put all this into the record here in a minute, but I just want to say to the members of the court and the ones that have sat down and helped me work through these numbers, Charles and Carter, Hugh, Bruce, and Ray, I appreciate, and I think the citizens of this community appreciate the fact that you guys try to run this business like you run your households, and I think it says a lot. We are not a court that adds a lot of bodies and stuff. We're a court that justifies what we do, and I'm just very, very pleased that you guys can hold the line on taxes for 2 years in a row. And whether we can do this again in another year, I don't know. But I do think that it's going in the right direction, the way we're budgeting and doing other things. Anybody have any comments or questions before I ask for y'all to vote on the tax rates? That's quite a sequence. It's been a long time. The tax rates, and I think, do I have to read this order to the record too? And I will read direct to the record. Order. Property tax assessment has now been certified by the Commonwealth of Kentucky Revenue Cabinet Department of Property Taxation. Ad valorem tax revenue for the fiscal year 2010-11 established for Henderson County in accordance with KRS 68245. Be it ordered by the Fiscal Court of Henderson County, Commonwealth of Kentucky, that the following tax rates for the 2010-11 are hereby set. Rates per hundred. Real estate property, 11.8. Gross levy revenue expected, $2,402,755. Personal property, 17.5. Gross revenue expected, $397,309. Motor vehicles, 8.5. $223,899. Companies RE 11.8. What is it? What's that PS mean? Is it public service companies? That would be right. $309,606. Companies personal inventory 17.5. $276,389. Watercraft 8.5. $11,709. Health Department rate is set at 2.6. Henderson County Public Library, real property 6.9. Personal property 9.93. Aircraft 9.93. Inventory in transit 9.93. Henderson County Extension Service, real property 2.5. Personal property 3.76. Motor vehicles 1.5 and watercraft 1.5. Further, to be ordered that the 3 cents per acre tax be levied on all privately owned timberlands in Henderson County, which is required to be listed for taxation and credited to the Forest Fire Protection Account. This action would take a motion now to approve. A motion would stand in order.
So moved.
Carter.
Second.
Bruce. We'll ask for a roll call. I'm sorry. Carter, if you would, where it says motion made by Magistrate Wilkerson, would you, in second, and just read to adopt the foresaid rates, and then read the sentence?
Okay, to adopt the 4 cents rate for the 1.8 real estate tax rate, for the 17.5 personal property rate,
Right. And that inventory and transit be exempt.
and inventory and transit fees.
Is that right? All right, motion's in order now.
Magistrate Wilkerson.
Aye.
Magistrate McCormick. Magistrate Glacier. Magistrate Alexander. Magistrate Todd.
I have one more.
A question.
Yes, sir.
The next time we do this, could we have to decide when we list the gross levy, revenue expected, follow that column all the way down?
They don't turn those figures into me. I don't have your assessment figures.
They don't give us a number on it.
No.
We can request that, but we have to approve the tax rate, and that I think we have to accept it and approve it. And we put on the bill, right?
We have to accept the tax rate.
And we have basically.
There's been a big controversy whether we're technically approving theirs or not. The law basically tells us that if a taxing entity says this is their rate, we're required, because we are the keeper of the bills. We have to put their rates on. But as far as how much money they receive, they can be requested.
With some entities are old, last, and some continue to age. And I'd just like to see all those numbers as what the revenue is generated.
Can you write a letter out to all the entities?
Yes, I can.
Okay.